This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Phil Long Ford of Denver is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7887 West Tufts Avenue in Denver.